Depression hits once again. Ah. Hopefully the inside original. Burlington product fee. Oh, it's awful. Wow. Oh, this is a nice cab too. Oh, it's got a VR indicator though. It's a Noble. Oh, there's a camera in here. I hope please have a good motor. This is probably a Burlington. Maybe. Low-key, that was kind of lame. I want to go in the basement. This had to have been a Burlington. And I will be getting off down here. To an awkward little elevator. I'll never know who maintains this. Oh, mudroom, hold on. Let you hear it. That's a new motor. You can barely even hear it. Alright. Oh, the old call button is gone. Might have been there or something. Alright, that's it. Taking it up to 1, so. This thing is sketchy. It's a Noble. Oh, there's the fire service here. That's it.